My name's Aaron Miller. I am one of two vice presidents, same as my coworker right there, Gary.
Hi, so I'm Gary Leidy. So I'm one of the vice presidents here at BC Stone.
Sean Deal.
So basically what we do here, we do countertops out of natural stone, engineered quartz, and we provide it for residential and commercial application.
I am an operator of a RoboJet. It's a machine that cuts the stone. It uses both water jet operation, which takes high pressured water, about 60,000 pounds of pressure per square inch, and combines it with a crushed up stone called garnet. It creates a sand and water mix that cuts through the stone.
We have a lot of rules. I mean, first and foremost for us working here, and you'll see when you go back in the shop, is the safety. You have to be safe, watch out for each other. There's a lot of, you'll see the slabs and everything in the back, there's a lot of, everything we deal with is extremely heavy. A lot of it's very sharp. So you have to watch what you're doing, where you're walking, where you put your hands, watch out for your co-workers. So safety's, always a #1 priority around here. Very hands-on, very rewarding to see the finished product go in somebody's house. When do I eat lunch? I eat lunch whenever I want.